Hi! In front of me is ALCATEL 1 2022 and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this smartphone. Firstly, go into Settings. Now you need to scroll down and click on Security. Following that, tap on Screen Lock over here and click on the best login method for you, pattern, PIN or password. After that, you need to enter your login method and choose Next at the bottom right corner. Then repeat it in order to confirm it and choose Confirm at the bottom right corner as well. Now pick one of those options. When your device is locked, how do you want the lock screen to show your notifications? I will go with Don't Show Notifications at all because I don't want any, so I have to click on this option here and click on Done. Now when I turn off my screen and then turn it back on, as you can see, pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!